out there, YouTube? How we doing today? Well, as you can see, we got a big old box. Now, what does that mean? You already know by looking at that thumbnail you clicked on. That means my boy Jason over at PMP has gotten off his butt, put a bunch of cool shit in a box, and mailed it out. So stay tuned after we roll that intro. We're going to show you what came in that box. Alright, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, I'm going to get this out the way early, okay? For you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for giving me a moment of your time. Your time is your most precious commodity, and thank you for spending some of it with me. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it, look down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, click on it. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early, and you go feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Alright, that's right, it's that time of the month. PMP Prep Box is back on the channel. This one seems to be pretty friggin' cool. As we always do, there's the packing list. So there is every single thing that came in this month's box. Okay, don't get too fixated on it, because we're going to go through it. Alright, if you're unfamiliar with the PMP Prep Box, it is a monthly subscription box. Jason kind of got tired of, you know, the usual rigmarole and everything rolling around where you get like stickers and beer koozies and all that other crap. So he made one level and you get a bunch of awesome gear in there. He used to do theme boxes, but he discarded that and went for really cool gear. So I'm going to show you what came in here. Now, just for a little bit of a change today, usually we have the cuteness factor on the channel. Today we're going to do something a little different. The monkey's going to join us. So let's bring him on. Alright, say hi.
Hi.
Alright. Now, the first item up is orange Atwood 332nd rope, about 100 feet, and it's got a value of about $6. Here, you want to hold that up and show everyone? Hold it up so they can see it. Now, you guys are kind of, familiar with paracord, right? Now, I'll be honest with you, this is not 550 cord, this is 275 cord. Paracord usually gets its strength from the internal strands. Each internal strand in a paracord is rated at 50 pounds, and the outer sheath is rated at 200. So that's where you get the 550. This looks to be rated at 275. It's Atwood, it's good cord. Cordage is awesome when you're in the middle of nowhere. Alright, now let's go on to the next one. Okay, let's see, it is a Fox 40 whistle. Here, hold that up, show everyone. Alright, now the big thing with this guy is, oh my god, what's the decibel? I know I thought I saw it somewhere. Basically, you really don't want to blow this in someone's ear. Out in the woods, you get lost, you're lost in the bush, you're lost wherever. Here, hold it up. Signaling is pretty effective. So if you can, make a loud noise, get noticed, there you go. Or even in an urban environment, you can blow that thing, you've got people looking at you in case something's going wrong. I'm going to start making my kids, start packing kidnap whistles, for lack of a better phrase. Alright, this one's got a value of $14.99. And oh yeah, I forgot to say it. His one level is going to run you $100 a month. Usually you get about $160 worth of gear, so that's a pretty good trade. This month has an overall value of $165.78. Alright, next one up, I'm going to bust the stones on this one, because another monthly subscription box beat him to it, but it's great having two. This is the Pocket Bellows Fire Kit. Alright, now if you're unfamiliar with these guys, these are awesome. This basically telescopes out and gives you a big way not to put your face in the fire to blow. You can blow on it, put oxygen into the fire, get it going. And these little like beeswax things up here, man, they are a great tinder. It just it takes a spark, it will burn great. But I know where he saw these first. Not mentioning any other names, Jason.
Really?
He knows. Alright. Next item up is the Bushnell binoculars. Oh, sorry, the Pocket Bellows has a value of $19 if I didn't say that. This next one up is Bushnell binoculars 8x21. Hold that up. So there's the box it comes in. Alright, put that down. Inside, It's going to come in this neat little like leather belt pouch. And we've all seen binoculars before. I mean, these are not mega powers. These are not, you know, you're going to be a sniper spotter. They're just really cool, really simple ones how to use. I mean, in a survival situation, you can reach out and see a little bit better, or, you know, try to evade someone, or even if you're just like going out and spotting birds. Here's a good way to do it. Work for you?
Yep.
All right. And that's got a value of $19.99. Okay, next item up is the hybrid solar 160 flashlight with a value of $34.95. Now hold that up. Now I know Jason said in one of his things that there's two being sent out. I think one was yellow, one was black. No big deal. They're kind of the same dang thing. If I got this right, it's got a rating of about 160 lumens. You can plug it into a wall outlet to charge it, or you can throw it in the sun because this is, you know, a solar charger, and just let it charge up. It'll hold a charge for a very, very, very long time. The one I got in another company's box well over a year ago is still holding a charge, and I have kept it in a bug out bag for a very, very long time. They're really simple to use, kind of bright. Ooh, hey. There's a little button, turns it on. See, look. Ooh, it's the monkey! The monkey! But there we go. It's kind of cool. It comes with a little recharging cable right in here, so you can plug it in one of the USB things, and it gives you some little instructions right there. Alright. Next item up is the hybrid solar lantern. Yeah, go ahead. Now this one, I'm going to bust his stones again. I saw this in another company subscription box, but it's freaking awesome. So Jason, good on you, brother. Now I got two. Hold it up. This thing is freaking cool. Seriously, it really is. It can pop up to a lantern. It's got its little flashlight right here, which has multiple settings. Solar recharging. No, I haven't taken it out of the box yet. And as you can see on the back, you can charge smart devices. So if you have one that really doesn't rely on things going on, you know, like I need service, you've at least got maps that you can use for a while, or at least you have a way to, you know, keep yourself entertained. This thing is great. I use it every morning when I get out of the shower, so I'm not disrupting everybody. Sorry, this is the monkey's first, well, official unboxing with PMP Prep. If you may remember, and by the way, speaking of that, look up top. All right, you're going to see a card for every single PMP prep box that we've brought to the channel. We've gotten them all. The monkey was in the opening for Jason's Land Nav box. So this is his first one for an unboxing. All right, now this one, Jason has this abject fascination with this knife brand. It is the Mora Knife Eldris knife, and it's got a value of $35.95. Mora, you little bastard. There you are. Okay, you need to move that. All right, that's away from him, because I'm using a knife I don't want you close, okay? Now, it is a sweet little, how should we say, neck knife, if you can turn that into it. Sweet little small belt knife, sweet little camp knife, or even a sweet little Whitland knife. I mean, it's what, probably the usual 14 whatever Sandvik stainless steel. Yeah, stainless. So I mean, it's a great little blade with the Scandi grind. I'll be doing a more in-depth review on this guy later on. I like the fact with the little handle in here, it reminds me of the cans ball I think it was he sent out. So I mean, it's got a very, very comfortable feel in the hand. And hopefully I can do this without, you know, chopping my freaking finger off, but oh, dummy. Pretty sharp right out of the box with cardboard. And it makes that really satisfying Mora sound. Now, poof, when it goes in. Kind of cool. Alright. Usually you would see me lay everything out and do a big old wrap-up. But I'm going to say it like this. It's a great box. He put in a tremendous amount of gear. I will say, honestly, these two are my favorites right off the bat, simply because it's great having spares. I've gotten a lot of use out of this guy. You know, I'm always worried that my other one, the battery in it, is just going to die somehow, or, you know, it's going to get shorted out just from charging. These things are great. I mean, they really, truly are. You ain't got to worry about batteries. It just keeps recharging itself and recharging itself, and, you know, as it says right here, it's got 30 hours of light on one full charge. It's waterproof and it floats. Oh, we're going to put that to a test. you're going to see a more in-depth review on this guy too. So there's at least 2 items in this box you're going to see a more in-depth review on. Oh, yeah. But, with that being said, I think it's a great box. I think it's a great value that I got this month. I got like I said a moment ago, I got a lot of interesting items that I probably wouldn't have bought myself, but I'm glad I got them again, especially on a couple of them. I'm glad I get exposed to another Mora knife. Jason, stop trying to turn me into that Mora cult, bud. You got me on that Garberg, but everything else I'm not sure. But we gonna see, right? Alright, here's the fun part of the video, guys. Questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below. I want to hear it down there in the comments section. I want to know if you subscribe to the PMP Prep Box, what you think of it, what you think of what you saw. I mean, heck, just even give the monkey a big thumbs up or give him a heck yeah for getting in his first unboxing video. Trust me, he's been bugging me for a while to get one done. A long while. And he's on the other side of the camera shaking his head going, Alrighty, guys. So here we go with the wrap-up. Man, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, like I said at the beginning of the video, thank you so much for giving me some of your time. It means the world to me that you actually watching my channel, and hopefully you will come back for more. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who did not do it at the beginning of the video, here's our second chance at redemption, and we here on this channel believe in redemption big time. Look down below. Should be in that corner. Going to be a bigger channel symbol popping up. Man, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've subscribed, go ahead and beat up the bell icon. Why? That's a great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here on this side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. May 2019 PMP Prep Box. Thank you, and the monkey says thank you for watching, and I hope all of you have an incredible day today.